We call them irregular because they don't follow any rules. So the easiest way is to just learn them and memorize them, and then we know how to spell them. Because usually when we want to make a verb a past tense verb, what do we do? What do we usually do to make a word a past tense verb? We add what to the end? If I want to say I went for a jog today, but if I want to talk about doing that yesterday, I would say I jogged. We add ed, right?
Ed.
So, yep. So we've been learning about those rules when we double the consonant, when we drop the e to add ed. But these are all irregular, so we're not going to see add ed to the end. We're going to see some kind of different things. So without further ado, let's do it. Oh, wrong thing. On your sort. So I'm just going to. So what do we think the past tense of see? I see you, but yesterday I what you? Athena?
Saw you.
I saw you, right. So see what I mean? It's irregular, it's different when we spell saw, S-A-W. I keep my friends close, but yesterday I, Athena?
Kept.
Oh, this one's a tough one. I bring you fresh daisies, but yesterday I, Kaylin?
Brung.
So brung is like a past participle. We could say I have brung you them before, but the word I'm kind of looking for is yesterday I brought them to you.
That's what I meant to say.
Oh, it's okay. So it's spelled really funny. It's B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. Definitely irregular. All right. I run every day, but yesterday I, Athena.
Ran.
I ran so far away. Oh, here's another fun one. I teach every day, but yesterday I, what, Kaylin?
Taught.
Taught. And that one is spelled T-A-U-G-H-T. Oof, funny, funny. Today I hold my puppy, but yesterday I, Athena?
Held.
Held, H-E-L-D. Today I pay for my lunch, but yesterday I, yesterday I, we stumped. Yesterday I paid. And now this is not just adding ed, because then it would be regular. This is P-A-I-D. Funny, funny. Yesterday I paid. Today I choose my work, but yesterday I, Kaylin?
Chose.
Chose. So we just take out an O. How funny. Yesterday I chose my work. I lead every day, but yesterday I, Athena?
Led.
Led. I begin every day with a stretch, but yesterday I Athena?
Began.
Began. So those are your irregular, unusual past tense words. You'll have the option to choose the irregular past tense or present. So the past tense of sleep is slept. Past tense of freeze is froze. Past tense of throw is threw. Past tense of sweep is swept. Past tense of slide is slid. And past tense of shine is shone. On Saturday, I am going to sleep in. So you got to type it in. Sleep in. Doesn't make sense. I'm going to slept in. No. So that's how we do your slides there. So let's go ahead and write our spelling words. I will go ahead and the spelling words that you get here will be the exact words on your spelling test. Okay. So number 1. So you'll have 10 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 1 is slept. I slept in on Sunday. Slept. Thumbs up when you're ready for the next word. Okay. Okay, number 2, froze. I put the water in the freezer yesterday and it froze. Okay, number 3. I threw the ball. T-H-R-E-W, threw. So that's the past tense of throw, not the through that's like I'm going through the school to get to my classroom, not that through. So many fun words in the English language. Okay, number 4, swept. I helped my dad clean out the garage and I swept the floor. Okay, number 5, slid. I slid down the hill. Past tense of slide is slid. Okay, number 6, shone. S-H-O-N-E. Past tense of shine is shone. Stars shone brightly over the weekend. Number 7, brought. So today I bring you something, but yesterday I brought you something. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. All right, Savannah's coming on here. Number 8, taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Past tense of teach is taught. You got paper and pencil, Savannah? We're writing down our spelling words. Number 9, began. Yesterday, I began my new exercise routine. Began. Savannah, you need paper and pencil. I'll go over the ones you missed. Okay. And number 10, paid. Past tense of pay is paid. It's spelled P-A-I-D, paid. I paid for my elderberry syrup last week. Those are your spelling words. Make sure you take your spelling test that's in the Google Classroom for last week's words. You're adding ED words. And that's it, Kaylin and Athena. Savannah, I'll stay on with you and you can get your spelling words down. The video won't be up though until tomorrow, but that's it. Your slides and all that should be up today. So if you want to get started on it after this, all right? Okay, I'll see you later, Athena and Kaylin.
Boy, boy.
Boy, boy. All right, Savannah. So I'm gonna stop the recording.